Good morning, friends. Hello, friends. Now we are into our last session of stress management, and this is a very important topic. And today I'm going to give you or share with you a few techniques, some strategies, and some coping strategies and relaxation techniques regarding stress management. So, let us begin. Effective stress management helps you break the hold stress has on your life so you can be happier, healthier, and more productive. The ultimate goal has to be a balanced life with time for work, relationships, relaxation, and fun, and the resilience to hold up under pressure and meet challenges head on. This slide says life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. So, how do you create yourself is important. What is stress management? So, this creating is going to happen with the skills of stress management. So, let us know more about stress management. Stress management is a set of techniques and programs intended to help people deal more effectively with stress in their lives by analyzing the specific stresses and taking positive actions to minimize their effects. Stress management can happen at the three levels: psychological level, physical level, and behavioral level. So here I'd like to share with you some coping strategies. To cope with stress, these strategies or these points will help you. These are very small, maybe simple points, but these are going to be very useful in managing stress. Let's begin with stop blaming others, develop your own inherent potential, live in the present and work for the future. What happens is we live in the past and we save for the future. So try to maintain harmonious relationships with others. Most important is always try to be happy and cheerful. So learn to be happy and cheerful. Take the life the way it comes. Respond to situations with equanimity, courage and determination. Also with attachment. Avoid negative emotional reactions like anger and fear. Create a supportive climate. Redesign and enrich the job content if you are not happy with whatever you are doing right now. So, reduce conflict by clarifying roles and, if at all it is needed, seek professional counseling. Now, I'd like to share with you some stress management tips. These are very useful. So be prepared for the unexpected. Whatever comes your way, be prepared for it mentally. Always have your plan B or plan C ready. Prioritize your wishes and your things to do. So next is write down your feelings which are negative and which bring you stress. Try to jot them down, which will give you a clearer perspective. Enjoy life's simple pleasures like sunshine, cool breeze, colorful flowers, etc. Make little changes in your life that will help you a lot. Learn to recognize your emotions. That will also help you to know more about yourself. Take a break when you are putting long hours into your work. Try to take a break. Stay positive. Always stay positive. Let others know your feelings. Share with them. Allow yourself to say no if it comes to that. Now we come to a plan which is called a stress management plan. This is a plan because if you accept these points in your day-to-day life, that will help you a lot to manage the stress, the day-to-day stress. Practice time management, a very important aspect. Learn relaxation exercises. Rehearse and practice situations before some important events. Learn practical coping skills. Decrease negative self-talk. Say a strict no to negative self-talk. Learn to feel good with some workable results. Always do not be a perfectionist. Build a network of friends. Exercise regularly. Have healthy eating habits. Never skip breakfast. Reduce sedentary activities like TV, video games. Eat healthy and nutritious food. Try to avoid junk food, avoid excess caffeine intakes like tea, coffee, etc. Do not take quick fix remedies like alcohol, tobacco, and drugs, as they have long term and very harmful effects on your body and mind. These are some of the techniques which are very important in managing your stress. They seem to be very simple techniques, but they are very useful. Change your thinking. Be very positive in your attitude, in your thoughts. So, change your thinking, then change your behavior, accept good habits like time management, get organized, etc. Then change your lifestyle, try to bring some positive changes into your lifestyle. Reframing is looking at the particular event, situation, or a thing which gives you stress. Look at it in with a different perspective, with a different approach. It will change the stress. It will lessen the stress and bring in the positive thinking into your system. These are some of the relaxation techniques which are also very useful. Breathing awareness, accept breathing, good breathing techniques. Progressive muscle relaxation, which you need to learn. Visualization, always imagine whatever you like most, the landscape and other things. Pets, you can have pets. Music, then meditation and laughter. These are very important techniques which help you to reduce your stress. Deep breathing, relaxation through deep breathing. Learn breathing techniques. They are very useful. They help you to combat your fatigue. They promote sleep and ease muscle tension. Meditation is also very important aspect and a very important useful relaxation technique. It improves your focus, lowers your blood pressure, combats fatigue, promotes sleep, reduces pain, eases muscle tension, increases your concentration and productivity, brings in clarity in your thoughts, and also brings you a peace of mind. What is humor? Humor is also one of the very important strategies and techniques. It is an attitude towards life. Take your work seriously, but take yourself lightly. So, humor is healthy, humor connects us with others. So, use more humor to be happy. Laughter is again an important technique. It brings mental freshness, and so use it. Exercise and relaxation are the foundations for efficiency. Exercise is very necessary, very important. So get plenty of exercise and get plenty of sleep. Improved focus and concentration help increase efficiency so you can complete tasks in less time. Maintain your emotional reserves. What is this? Develop mutually supportive friendships or relationships. Mutually supporting and happy, trustworthy. Pursue realistic goals which are meaningful rather than goals others have for you that you do not like or do not share. Expect some frustrations and failures and sorrows, and always be kind and gentle with yourself. Be a good friend of yourself. Now, coming to the end, this is very important. Be realistic and not be over ambitious. This is one of the very major rules of being happy. And so, being in control of your life and having realistic expectations about your day to day challenges are the keys to stress management, which is perhaps the most important ingredient to living a happy, healthy, and rewarding life. So, stress management can be, these are the tools and techniques which can be used for stress management, which we talked about. So, at the end, I'd like to tell you that stop stressing with the tools, strategies, techniques, and plan shared with you and start living. So have a good life. Thank you. Thank you.